Hello and welcome to Trade of the Week for the week starting Monday, the 25th of July. Last week, Axel decided to go long the Dow, of course, a counter trend move, but nonetheless, it has worked out thus far. Let's take a look at that first and foremost. The entry taken around about 31300 with a view to potentially hitting this 33,000 mark. Now, certainly we have seen a very nice move towards the upside on the Tuesday. Now consolidating here, we are looking at potential upside coming into play as we start the new week. Certainly some of this talk around the Russians being happy to keep the oil pipelines or the gas pipelines open, and them saying that essentially it's not in their interests to completely cut it off, that has provided a boost to European markets in early trade. And certainly as things stand, it looks like we could be setting up for another move towards the upside. Now, Axel would like to shift that stop loss and move it back up to break even. So we're locking in the ability to essentially avoid losses on this trade. And as we can see here, we're sort of consolidating, but moving nicely higher in this early candle here. So hopefully we do see a continuation of that move and push towards the upside. I would say that you've got to look out for resistance here, 325.61. That's a 76.4 fib. Certainly a notable resistance level up ahead, but his target here is 33,000. And as things stand, certainly we're grinding higher, but starting to push upwards at the beginning of this new week. So certainly starting off in a good mood. For me, I'm going to be looking at euro sterling. Euro sterling starting to roll over as we begin this week. If I'm looking in terms of the daily time frame, we can see here that price action by and large has been positive throughout the sort of April, May into June period, but we've seen a sharp decline coming here in early July. And for me, this latest rebound is a precursor to us rolling over once again. Yes, we did see that 50 basis point move from the ECB, but by and large, I'm expecting to see the ECB continue to lag some of the other central banks, and we're expecting to see the strength of the pound coming back into play here, despite the gains that we've seen throughout much of last week. You can see on that Thursday candle, that long upper wick, and that upper wick has taken price action up into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So we're starting to roll over here. So for me, I'm looking for shorts in this to see us move back towards the downside and start to see a more bearish trend playing out for a move back towards these kind of areas down here. For the near term, I'm going to put my stop loss up above this latest wick. So as long as we remain below that level, then we're still in the trade. That's going to be at 0.86. If I can, let's just type it in. Here we go. So 8600 on the euro sterling, looking for this to reverse with that long upper shadow on Thursday. Now really starting to build on that. You can see in terms of the stochastics that we are continuing to create lower highs. So with the fact that we've regained ground on that, I'm expecting to see momentum shift towards the downside and hopefully see further weakness in play here for euro sterling.